in the process. My, oh my, how those ships have continued to be amazing fun machines. Our secret sauce? Combining the pure awesomeness of our ships with team members from all over the globe who know how to make the 1 gazillion experiences you can have on a Carnival ship unforgettable.
Carnival cruises are fun. People enjoy them. I mean, it's like the time of your life. You go there, woo! You know, it's lots of fun. You're out at sea. And for Anna Kepner, 18-year-old high school senior from Florida, it was supposed to be a great trip. She went with her dad, siblings, stepmom, and her children, and it was like a very Brady cruise for this family. But it turned very tragic because Anna Kepner was found dead on that ship. And we've got some more details tonight. First, from the Daily Mail. The body of a high school cheerleader found dead on board a Carnival cruise ship was found wrapped in a blanket and stuffed under a bed. Wrapped in a blanket, stuffed under a bed. Sources have now told Daily Mail that Anna complained of feeling unwell on the evening of the 6th while she was eating dinner and headed back to her cabin. When her dad, Christopher, and stepmom, Chantel, gathered the family for breakfast the next day, there was no sign of the bubbly, popular teenager. They began searching the $800 million Panama registered ship, but it was eventually a maid who stumbled across Anna's body when she entered the cabin to service it around 11 a.m. on the 7th. Two sources who spoke with the Daily Mail under condition of anonymity say the pretty youngster was found wrapped in a blanket, covered over with life jackets, and stuffed under a bed. Okay, that's not like food poisoning, I got sick or anything. And by the way, Carnival Cruise has issued a statement saying, listen, the ship is safe, it's out at sea again, the FBI cleared it, there's no threat, there's no safety threat on that ship, right? Now, get ready. Are you sitting down? Please sit down. ABC News is now reporting that a minor may face criminal charges in connection with the death of Anna Kepner aboard a Carnival Horizon cruise ship, according to a new filing in an unrelated family court matter. Chantel Hudson, that's the stepmom, Anna's stepmother, who was also on the cruise along with her children, and Anna's father, requested a delay in her custody hearing because of one of her minor children may face criminal charges, according to the filing. The respondent has been advised through discussions with FBI investigators. Remember, the FBI is investigating the death of Anna, and her attorneys, that a criminal case may be initiated against one of the minor children of this instant action. The filing stated any testimony the respondent may give, either written or oral, could be prejudicial to her or her adolescent child in this pending criminal investigation. Therefore, the respondent cannot be compelled to testify. Did you follow that? So stepmom is in some sort of in family court in a custody hearing, trying to put that on hold because there's an investigation into one of her children, an investigation involving the FBI and criminal charges. The FBI is investigating the death of Anna, her stepdaughter. I mean, you know, it's not really reading between the lines. It's like, is one of her stepbrother or stepsister, I think it's stepbrother, a suspect in her death? Let's bring in the think tank. Bob Bianchi, Rick King, Dr. Sue Kornbluth with us. Dr. Sue, you're shaking your head already. This is going to be devastating.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't hear about that from ABC until tonight when you just told us, and that brings up a lot of questions about what was going on in this blended family. Did they know that one of these children had violent tendencies? Did they know that there was difficulty between these two kids? So on and so on. I mean, I think there has to be a big investigation done here looking at this family in a whole and for justice here for this young girl. But something does not smell right here. And I think it's going to come out that you're going to see that there possibly was violence that was going on or something. And maybe there was a connection between one of the kids and her that we just don't know about. The other thing that concerns me, Vinny, is was there video cameras on this ship to find out where she was after she left? Was she walking? Was somebody following her? Who was it? I mean, we go to the lawyers on this one. I want to understand what they think about that.
Absolutely. Go ahead, Rick.
I actually just got off a cruise, Vinny, and one of the things that I thought about when I saw this story was there were cameras everywhere. There's no way that they didn't know when she left that family on the 6th where she went and who possibly went with her. And there was going to be, they were going to know who was involved in this right away. I had no doubt about that. Now, what I didn't have was it was going to be one of her family members. You kind of blew me away with that right now. I was that wasn't anything that I expected to show up. But I did know that there was going to be cameras, and because those boats are just full of them, so I knew they were going to have that.
Yeah, you know, I vacation. This is like maybe TMI, and I'm only kidding, so I'll preface this. But I do vacation every year on a cruise ship with my 12 in-laws, so it's kind of like a floating prison for me. But what I did learn in all the years, now I'm only kidding about, is there cameras? And my question was, is there forcible entry into the cabin? And if there is no forcible entry into the cabin, that would lead me to conclude that this was, because I think these ships are dangerous. Not that Carnival itself. I just think in general that this is somebody that was invited into the room, which would mean either she just met the person, but she had just left dinner because she didn't feel well, which led me to the conclusion maybe somebody she knows and that's close with her. So there'll be a lot of DNA. There'll be a lot of trace evidence. Hopefully that's been preserved properly, and they're going to get to the bottom of it, because I do agree with my two colleagues here that there'll be videos all over the place.
Yeah, the bottom line, this is devastating to a family. Something like this is absolutely devastating to the family, and our thoughts are with all of them tonight, and hopefully we get to the truth of what is happening here. Obviously, we'll stay on top of it. It's a federal investigation, federal jurisdiction, so okay. Big thanks tonight. Bob Bianchi, Rick King, Dr. Sue Kornbluth, big stories, great guests. It worked perfectly. Thank you so much.